In a moment, you'll remove Apple Vision Pro to capture your appearance. Keep your arms and shoulders relaxed. Then follow the instructions. Turn your head to the right, to the left, and tilt up and down. Then you'll capture your facial expressions. Smile with your mouth closed. Smile showing your teeth. Raise your eyebrows and close your eyes. When you're done, put Apple Vision Pro back on to see your persona.
Yeah, teeth, tongue, nose, earring, eyebrows moving just a little bit. Okay. Well, let's fix the lighting on the on myself. So you got a couple of options right here, which you probably really not be able to tell the difference. I mean, I know, well, in the studio you can. It's pretty much, I'm gonna go with the natural, but you could tell the different settings from like the top of the do-rag area. If you look about right there, hey hand, I got two hands. But if you look at the do-rag, it's pretty much gonna change colors. So, but what I would look like. So we're gonna do natural, boom, and then we're gonna do tone. So we're gonna, okay, temp, a little blue. All right, then we're gonna do brightness. Bring this down just a little bit. Bring this tone up. Boom, and then eyewear. I don't wear glasses, but I really think this is like really cool. Oh, the circle joints are dope. So they got a couple of options if you're a woman or a man, don't matter. I like the circle ones. The circle ones are dope. And then you can do the thickness. It's giving Harry Potter. Then you can pick them how low you want. My friends and family know I wear readers sometimes, and they know the drip of the glasses on the nose is crazy. So you can make them big or small. Then you can pick the different like frames that you want, and then you can pick whatever design or color you want. But I'm controlling everything with my eyes, so I have to. That's why if you see it messing up a little bit, because I'm trying to look at both of them at the same time, but you're only supposed to look at one. Yeah, okay. But I don't wear glasses, but I think this is like really dope for people who do wear glasses or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna do none. This is what I look normally. And then we're gonna save this, change the background to like the different options or whatever. See what this blue looks like. Green. Then you go to the immersive. You can do the office space. You can do Mount Hood or whatever. And then you can do the Apple Rainbow, which is at Apple Park. LGBT, June 1st next month. Yeah, I got hands too. Oh, when somebody FaceTime me and I got my Apple Vision Pro on, this is exactly what I would look like. Alright, well this is Persona. See you in the next one. Peace.